one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
RBZ to unveil redesigned ZiG notes. The 26th of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, RBZ, has announced the production of redesigned ZiG banknotes, part of what it describes as a broader de-dollarization plan to transition to a monocurrency system within the next 5 years. According to the RBZ, the new notes will feature enhanced security features and improved durability. The existing ZiG notes have long faced criticism for quickly fraying, fading, and deteriorating, raising doubts among the public about whether the redesign will bring any real improvements. RBZ Governor Dr. John Mushiavanhu defended the exercise, linking it to recommendations made in the midterm monetary policy statement. The Reserve Bank is working on the modernization of the ZiG banknote series. The new ZiG banknotes will be redesigned, including improved quality and durability for the convenience of the transacting public, he said. Dr. Mushiavanhu further assured the public that this is not the introduction of a new currency. I must reiterate that the Reserve Bank is not going to issue a new currency, and in this regard, the public should not be apprehensive. Instead, the Reserve Bank is merely redesigning the current banknotes to enhance quality in line with international standards, he stressed. Economist and Monetary Policy Committee member Mr. Persistence Gwanianya described the redesign as part of efforts to boost public confidence. All this can be construed as measures to restore confidence in the country's currency and answering a call to introduce better quality notes. It also reflects on the policymakers' attitude towards the currency, he explained. Despite such assurances, skepticism remains widespread, with the ZiG currently accounting for just over 35% of national transactions. Many Zimbabweans argue that the changes are cosmetic and do little to address deeper economic instability. You can print all the shiny notes you want, but if people don't trust the currency, it won't change anything, said one Harare resident. Critics warn that without genuine economic reforms and stronger fiscal discipline, the redesigned ZiG notes may become yet another failed attempt in Zimbabwe's long history of currency experiments.